Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Again, greetings to our big brother, to Finland, because officially I'm from Estonia. So I try to do in 1 minute, as you said, for the European Parliament members. You're great. First, congratulations for the first speaker from Sweden, because I absolutely agree with him that it has been some kind of a political game against Hungary and Poland using Article number 7. Because if there is no following the rule of law from the basis, from the treaty, and it's been put more like the political games because somebody doesn't really like the Polish or Hungarian governments, I think we are going very wrong direction. So that's why we have to be very careful with Poland and Hungary and accept also their decisions from the government and accept their sovereignty in many cases. And the second thing I would like to ask from Mr. O'Flaherty and also Mrs. Minister from Finland, that also one of the bases in Europe is the safety. Safety for our citizens. And when I'm reading actually the happenings, what are going on like in Sweden, when we're talking about the bomb explosions, when we're going harassments like in Germany, I'm really worried. I'm really worried about our safety and our citizens in Europe. Have you checked like some kind of like the solutions for this kind of ways where we're going in European Union, that in many cases our own citizens in Europe couldn't be safe on the streets or in our home countries? Have you checked this problem? Thank you.
Thanks very much, Jaak. I almost congratulated you to show us how to do it in 1 minute.